Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would you like register for the English course?
Okay, we need to fill a form. I'll ask you some questions. What is your name, please?
My name is Selda Güler.
Selda Güler. Okay, can you spell your surname, please?
G-U-L-I-R.
G-U-L-A-R.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, where are you from?
I'm from Tokat.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
21. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Okay, you are single. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Anadolu University.
Anadolu University. What do you study?
My department is sociology.
Sociology. Where do you live?
I live in Eskişehir.
Okay. And what is your email address, please?
It is Selda Güler 411 gmail.com.
gmail.com. Selda Güler 411 at gmail.com.
Yes.
What is your telephone number?
0533709052.
Okay. It is 0533 7009052. Okay. So would you like to join the courses during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
We have two classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Fridays.
Do you have a class at the weekends?
Yes, we have a weekend class. Our courses begin at 11 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Great.
When would you like to join?
I would like to register for those on Monday and Wednesday.
Okay, on Monday and Wednesday course. So you can take your first lesson next week.
How much is it this start for 1 month?
For 1 month you pay 200 euros, but the weekend course is a little bit more expensive. It is 250 euros. So you're going to join Monday and Wednesday course, so you pay just 200 euros.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
See you later.
Thank you. Have a nice day.